Welcome to another quick workflow. In this video, you'll learn how to use a tool that simplifies creating prompts for generating images in the Recraft Discord server. This tool eliminates the need to manually type all the settings, allowing for a more efficient workflow. To use the tool, simply type your prompt, select your desired image ratio, and choose your image style. Additionally, you can add a color palette by clicking on the color palette bar, selecting a color, clicking outside the color picker window, and then clicking Add. If you want to delete a color, just click the Remove button next to it. Once you're finished setting everything up, click the Copy to Clipboard button. Inside the Recraft Discord server, simply paste your prompt and click Enter to generate your image. The process is straightforward, allowing for quick image creation without additional steps. I hope you enjoy this workflow. See you in the next one.